What's up, everyone? Today, we're settling one of the biggest debates in the marketing software world. How does HighLevel actually stack up against the competition? I'm talking ClickFunnels, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, Keap, all of the big names that agencies and businesses rely on. Because here's the thing, I've used all of them. I've even spent tens of thousands of dollars across these platforms over the years, and I even got the battle scars to prove it. So, this isn't some theoretical comparison. This is real world, in the trenches experience. I'm going to show you exactly what each platform does well, where they fall short, and most importantly, which actually deserves your hard-earned money. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is right for your business. So, let's dive in.
Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is a Enoylity technology.
All right, so before we jump into the head-to-head comparisons, let me lay out how we're evaluating everything. We're looking at 6 critical factors, so let's get into it. 1, core features and capabilities. What can you actually do, right? Now, 2, ease of use. Can you figure this out without a PhD? And 3, pricing and value. What are you really paying for? Now, 4, integration and ecosystem. Does it play well with others? Now 5, scalability. Can it grow with your business? Lastly, number 6, support and community. What happens when things go wrong? These are the make it or break it factors that really determines whether a platform helps you or if it's going to help you or hold you back, right? Let's get into it.
HighLevel versus ClickFunnels.
Let's start with the big one, ClickFunnels. This is probably the most common question I get. Should I use HighLevel or should I use ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a funnel building powerhouse. If your entire business is about creating sales funnels and you want drag and drop simplicity, ClickFunnels delivers. The template library is massive. The editor is intuitive, and for beginners just starting out, it's pretty easy just for you to get your first funnel live. So here's the problem. ClickFunnels is just a funnel builder. Yes, they've added email marketing and some CRM features, but it's all bolted on. The email automation is basic compared to dedicated platforms. The CRM is clunky. There's no SMS marketing, no reputation management, no appointment scheduling without a third-party integrations. And the price? ClickFunnels 2.0 starts at $147 a month and goes up to $297 for the unlimited plan. That's just for funnels and basic email. HighLevel is another story. HighLevel includes everything. ClickFunnels has funnel builder, checkout pages, membership sites, all that, but it also includes a full CRM, SMS marketing, email marketing, appointment scheduling, pipeline management, proposals, and invoicing, reputation management, and even AI-powered automation, all for $97 to $297 a month, depending on your plan. Let me put this into perspective, right? With ClickFunnels, you'll still need to pay for a separate CRM, somewhere from $50 to $500 a month, email automation, somewhere from $29 to $149 a month, SMS marketing, $50 to $200 a month. That's a lot, right? Appointment scheduling, $10 to $16 a month. Okay, now you're looking at $286 to $1,162 per month on top of your ClickFunnels subscription. With HighLevel, it's all included. One platform, one login, one bill. If you only need funnel building and nothing else, ClickFunnels is solid. But for agencies and businesses that needs a complete marketing and sales system, HighLevel wins this.
HighLevel versus HubSpot.
Now, let's talk about HubSpot, the 800-pound gorilla of CRM world. HubSpot is the gold standard for CRM. Their database management is exceptional. The reporting is incredibly robust. If you're a large enterprise with complex sales processes, HubSpot has the depth and sophistication you need. Let me show you the pricing reality of HubSpot. Sure, the CRM is free, but to actually use HubSpot for marketing and sales, that's a different story. Marketing HubSpot Professional is $800, actually $890 a month. Sales Hub Professional is $500 a month. Service Hub Professional, another $500 a month. If you want the full HubSpot experience, you're looking close to $2,000 a month. For a small agency or growing business that's absolutely crushing, for that price point, you do not get SMS marketing, because it's gonna be an add-on, advanced funnel building, white label capabilities, appointment scheduling, which is just basic functionality. You don't get any of that. But with HighLevel gives you enterprise level CRM features for a fraction of the cost. You get unlimited contacts, custom fields, pipeline stages, automation workflows, task management, and reporting. But here's what makes HighLevel special. You also get the funnel builder, landing pages, email, and SMS marketing, two-way texting, appointment scheduling, reputation management, and proposals. All for only $97 to $297 a month. Let's do the math. A small agency using HubSpot marketing plus Sales Hub is paying $1,390. That's $1,390 per month. That same agency using HighLevel, only $297 per month. For unlimited client accounts, that's over $13,000 in annual savings. That's a full-time employee. That's your profit margin. HubSpot doesn't offer white labeling at all. You can't rebrand it as your own platform. With HighLevel, agencies can create their own branded platform and charge clients monthly fees for just access. HubSpot is incredible if you're a Fortune 500 company with a massive budget. That's great. But for everyone else, HighLevel delivers 80% of the functionality at 10% of the cost, plus features. That's great. HubSpot doesn't even offer that.
HighLevel versus ActiveCampaign plus Keap.
Let's tackle the email marketing and automation specialists, ActiveCampaign and Keap. So let's get into it. Starting with ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is phenomenal at email marketing automation. Their segmentation is top tier. Their automation builder is intuitive and their deliverability is excellent. But here's what you're missing. No funnel builder, no appointment scheduling, limited CRM functionality, no proposals or invoicing, no reputation management. ActiveCampaign pricing starts at $29 a month, but quickly scales up to $149 to $259 a month as your list grows. And remember, you still need all of those other tools. Now let's get into Keap. Keap is designed for small businesses and does a decent job combining CRM with email marketing. The automation is solid and they've been around forever. The problems are, it starts at just starting price, $249 a month, and goes up from there. Steep learning curve, no funnel builder, no SMS marketing, dated interface, limited landing page builder. HighLevel includes everything. ActiveCampaign and Keap, they offer advanced email automation, workflows, trigger-based campaigns, segmentation and tagging, A and B testing, CRM integration, but HighLevel also includes two-way SMS conversations, complete funnel and landing page builder, appointment scheduling with automated reminders, pipeline management, reputation and review management, and proposals and estimates, phone system integrations, workflow automation with AI, all of that. Let's say you're running an agency with 5 clients, right? Here's what you'd be paying. Traditional stack, ActiveCampaign, $149 a month. ClickFunnels, $297 a month. Calendly Business, $16 a month. Twilio plus SMS platform, $100 a month. Basic CRM, another $50 a month. Total, $612 a month. HighLevel Agency Unlimited, $297 a month. That includes unlimited sub-accounts for all clients, totaling only $297 a month. You're saving $315 every single month or $37.80 per year. And you have fewer tools to manage, better integrations, and white label capabilities.
The integration and ecosystem factor.
Now, let's talk about something that doesn't show up on feature comparison charts, but absolutely matters: integrations and ecosystem. HubSpot has hundreds of integrations. They win on sheer volume. ClickFunnels plays reasonably well with others through Zapier. ActiveCampaign has solid API documentation. HighLevel takes a different approach. Instead of relying on dozens of external integrations, they built the core functionality you need directly into the platform. But when you do need integrations, HighLevel has you covered. So, native Zapier integrations, API access for custom integrations, webhooks for real-time data sync, direct integrations with Google, My Business, Facebook, Stripe, and major payment processors. The philosophy is simple: reduce integration dependencies and reduce points of failure, reduce complexity.
The scalability factor.
Now, let's talk about scaling your business, because this is where the difference becomes crystal clear. Most software companies love to lock you into usage-based pricing. More contacts, pay more? That doesn't make sense. More users, pay more? More features, different tier? HubSpot charges per contact. ActiveCampaign charges per contact. Even ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels limits your funnels and contacts based on tier. This means as you grow, software costs grows as well. HighLevel flips the script. For $297 a month on the agency unlimited plan, you get unlimited sub-accounts, meaning unlimited clients, unlimited contacts, unlimited funnels, unlimited email sends, unlimited users. You can go from 5 clients to 50 to even 500 clients, and your HighLevel cost stays the same. For agencies, this is transformational. You can increase revenue without increasing costs. Your profit margin actually improves as you scale. Plus, because you can white label the platform, you can charge your clients each $200 to $500 a month for just access, creating recurring revenue stream that's pure profit after your HighLevel subscription. Let's bring this home. After using all these platforms extensively, here's my honest recommendations. Choose ClickFunnels if you exclusively build sales funnels and nothing else, or you're deeply embedded into the ClickFunnels ecosystem, or you're okay paying for additional costs for CRM, email, and SMS. Next, you're going to choose HubSpot if you're a large enterprise with complex needs, or you have a budget of $2,000 plus a month for software, or if you need extensive enterprise reporting and if white labeling isn't important to you. Next, you're going to choose ActiveCampaign if you only need email marketing automation, or you already have solutions for CRM, funnels, scheduling, etc., or you're working with massive email lists. Next, you're going to choose HighLevel if you're an agency managing multiple clients, or you want an all-in-one solution to reduce tool complexity, or you want to white label and build your own SaaS offering, or you want enterprise features at small business pricing, or you value integration and automation. And if you want unlimited scalability, this is the one for you. For 90% of agencies and growing businesses, HighLevel is a clear winner. The value proposition is unbeatable. The features are comprehensive, and the white label opportunity creates an entirely new revenue stream. Here's what I want you to do. Stop overpaying for Frankenstein's stack of disconnected tools. So, I put a link in the description where you can start a 30-day trial of HighLevel and see all of the functionality firsthand. Build some funnels, set up automation, create a client sub-account, test the SMS marketing. Compare it directly to whatever you're using right now. Look at your monthly bills. Add up everything you're spending on CRM, emails, funnels, scheduling, SMS, and everything else. And I guarantee you'll find that HighLevel delivers more value at a lower cost. And If you're an agency, spend 30 minutes exploring the white label features. This could legitimately transform your entire business model. That's the honest comparison. HighLevel versus the competition. Now, drop a comment below and let me know which platform you're currently using and if you're considering making the switch. I read every comment and would love to hear your experience. Hit that button if this comparison was helpful. Subscribe for more real-world software reviews and business growth content, and I'll see you in the next video.